Hello and welcome to building an advanced 2D platformer character controller in Unity. In this course we're going to start by looking at the basics of making a platform controller for a 2D platformer style game. We're going to focus on basic movement as well as creating a camera controller which will keep track of our player. Then we're going to move on to look at more advanced interactions such as double jumping, wall jumping and running, how to handle slopes, gliding, crouching, and power jumping and ground slamming. We're then going to move on to look at Anima 2D and how we can use the Anima 2D system for animating a series of sprites which will represent our player. We'll talk about things like forward and inverse kinematics and how to create basic animations. Then we're going to look at how we can create an animator controller to bind all of our animations to our different player states. By the end of the course, we'll have a fully featured 2D platformer character controller. This course is primarily designed for users which are already familiar with Unity, as we're going to dive in at the deep end and start coding straight away. It's my plan to expand this course over time, adding new content and features over the coming months. You can see a roadmap of the intended developments at the end of the course. I would love your feedback, what features you'd like to see, and details of any bugs you might find. For now though, enjoy the content which is already uploaded, and I hope it helps you create your own unique character controller for a 2D platformer.